Nakikita yung ano, kung saan umiikot, no?
Breathe easy with 2 decades of easy listening music. Music Express on RP 95.1 FM. RW Top is 28 down
Tungkol sa commercials.
Yung ano niya.
Tataka ba kayo kung bakit 99.9% lang ang germs na napapatay ng alcohol? Hindi dahil may pasaway na germ na ayaw mamatay. May code on responsible advertising na gumagabay sa lahat ng advertisers. Bawat claim pinupusisi para sa ikabubuti ng Filipino consumer. Kapag di totoo, no go. May standards kami. Kaya may Brand Standards Council. Learn more at asc.com.ph.
Kabalan, ito po'y Tyra. Agkatanda ko pong makiramdam at abayan na po yung kwentuhan. Ulitan ang pongpigtigan. Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 10 lamang hanggang alas 12. Tara na, isip lamang na. Maring ka pa. Inak ka.
Kasero.
It's pop and free with Pop Music Express on RW 95.1 FM.
Pag mekaniko ka talaga, madali ka matutulog.
It started out just another day. I took a shower and I went on my way. I stopped as usual at a coffee and pie. When I turned to leave, I couldn't believe my eyes. Standing there, I didn't know what to say. Without one touch, we stood there face to face. And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt from you. I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. You said hello, then you asked my name. I didn't know if I should go on.